I know you are scared right now, Radha. But trust me, we came up with a plan to save everyone.
Mohan, you made a plan, but what if I am unable to follow through? I don't know if Mohan will be able to decide about his life. But I have decided about your life, Pumpkin Mother. Death.
Mohan, if the fuel of the bus runs out, the bus will stop. And if the bus stops, then the bomb will go off.
Look, if anyone tries to stop me, I am not going to listen, okay?
You have to listen to us, Mohan. This is police's rescue mission, and a civilian cannot take part in it. If anyone is hurt, it will be our responsibility. We will have to answer people, not you.
Sir, by the time your expert driver reaches here, everything will be finished. Please, sir, instead of seeing the kids die, I want to risk my life to make an attempt to save them. Please. Radha has been driving for the last 6 hours. Think how the kids must be feeling.
Gungun, you had said that Radha would save all of us. But if we run out of fuel, then how will Radha drive the bus? Will the bomb explode and all of us will die? No, dear, that won't happen. Don't be scared.
Look, Mr. Mohan, I can understand your problem, but you must also try to understand my problem. If you start working on this mission, I can't help you officially. Do you understand?
Sir.
Then what happens here will be solely your responsibility. Please try to understand my point. Among the people who are here for this mission, no one is trained to drive a troller. Please understand. Otherwise, I would have told him to drive it.
Thank you, Lord. The officer didn't get swayed by Mohan's emotions.
Inspector, you don't get it. We have no other option. Radha can't drive the bus for too long. As soon as the diesel finishes, the speed of the bus will decrease and everyone will die. I'm sorry, Inspector, but instead of Gungun, had your daughter been there, would you be sitting on your hand?
Fine. You can drive the troller.
This inspector has gone crazy.
But in order to rescue the kids, I need someone else. Do you have anyone?
Sir, you can't drive the troller, but you can rescue the kids at least.
Mohan, what we are doing right now is against our protocols.
He is worried about the protocol.
If anyone is hurt, it will be our responsibility. We will have to answer people, not you.
In order to save yourself, you are making Mohan responsible for the mission, right?
Look, Damini. We know our job well. Let us do our work, please.
Damini, will you be quiet?
Why are they not doing anything? They are only talking. Why is no one helping us?
Lord Krishna. Come fast, Mohan. I'm feeling scared without you. I need you and Lord Krishna's help. The kids are losing courage. At this moment, if I lose hope, there will be nothing left. Now I'll have to do something.
You can rescue the kids. I'll drive the troller.
Rahul?
My sister Ketki and Gungun are still on that bus. Doesn't matter anyone believes me or not. I can do anything to save their lives, even if I have to risk my own life. Come on, Mohan, let's go. What happened?
Let it be, Rahul, please. I'm already worried. My family is in danger and you...
Your family? What are you trying to say? Is the family only yours? Does this family not matter to me? Let me tell you, Mohan, Gungun and Ketki's lives are important for you as well as me. Do you get it?
Rahul, I said no. And that's final, okay?
No, who are you to say no? Huh? You decide everything all the time. But this time I won't let you decide this. I will go to save Gungun and Ketki and I will go with you. Come with me.
Rahul, I told you no!
Stop it! Mohan, Rahul, it's neither the right place nor the right time to fight. I will decide right now who will drive the trawler.
Why is Mohan taking so long?
I will drive the trawler and Mohan will rescue the children.
Why will you drive when I'm present, Mom?
Let me tell you why. Because for this, it's necessary for both to trust each other. In other words, the trust exercise.
Mom, we don't have time for all that, please.
Mohan, please. Why don't you try to understand? If you and Rahul won't trust each other while doing this, then how can we trust you with the lives of so many children?
Why isn't anyone coming to rescue us?
Will the bomb blast for real? Are we all going to die? And are we going to die now? Radha, if the fuel gets over, then the bus will stop and the bomb will go off, right?
We must do this right away. Rahul, go. Rahul, go. Mohan, Rahul is standing behind you. You fall, and if you trust Rahul, then he will catch you.
Why is Pumpkin playing games now? But it's good. The later Mohan gets in the trawler to save them, the better. It is all well. Keep going, Kadambari. Waste time until the bomb blast.
Mohan, please.
Mom, I don't trust him.
Fine, then let him drive and let me rescue
You
the kids.
just go home, man.
Mohan, please stop just a minute. Rahul, come in the front. Rahul, we don't have all the day. Come on. Come on, you fall. Rahul, neither will you drive the trawler and nor will you save the children.
But
My decision is final. That's it. Enough.
Mohan, I know that you trust me. Let me drive, okay?
Stop, Damini. I want to talk to you.
We will run out of fuel anytime. What should I do? How do I convince the kids that they won't get harmed? Mother, you... what are you saying?
Damini, just listen to me. I am saying all this for your own good. Just imagine if the operation fails, if anything happens to Radha or Gungun, then Mohan won't forgive you for life. And your wish to marry my son Mohan will never be fulfilled. It's your wish now. Neither Rahul will drive the trawler nor Damini.
I think Mohan is in some dilemma. Otherwise, he would have never been so late in rescuing us. Oh Lord Krishna, please help Mohan. Please guide him on how to rescue us.
Mohan, do you trust me?
What are you saying, Mom? I trust you more than myself.
Turn around. And fall on me. Come on. We don't have time, Mohan.
Kadambari!
This is called as trust. Mohan trusts me and I trust him. So it's final that I'll drive the trawler and Mohan will rescue the kids.
But Mom,
Mohan, you need a mother for this operation now. Because only a mother can protect her children. No one else can. Mohan, my granddaughter is on that bus. My daughter and Radha, who's like a daughter to me, are in there too. Please try to understand, Mohan. You need a mother's strength to save all of them. Let's go, Mohan.
What's going on, Mr. Trivedi? See, you were fine, but ma'am, anyone can't drive a trawler. It's not a toy.
Inspector, I trust my mother the most. If you can't start the operation because of the protocol, then please let us do it our way. Mom, let's go, Mom.
Where are you going? Why are you so eager to die? Stand here. No need to drive that trawler.
But
Quiet.
Mohan...
Let that Kadambari die? Mother's strength. When the bomb will blast, then the mother will lose all her strength. Just stand here quiet.
Lord Krishna, I endured all the pain you gave me. You tormented me and I tolerated that. But this concerns my daughter, my family and those innocent children. And if fate has decided that Radha, Gungun and all those kids will die today, then I don't agree to this, Lord. A mother will do the same to save her daughter, her family members and all the other children. Until you listen to my prayers, I won't stop. I won't stop. aren't they doing anything? Maybe there isn't any way to save us. If the bomb will go off, then we all will die. If the bomb will blast, then we all will die.
Oh Lord Krishna, everyone is losing their hope. But I believe that Mohan will definitely find a way to save all of us. But I should divert their attention until then. Otherwise, it would be more difficult to save them if they are scared. Give me the strength, Lord Krishna. Okay, kids, do you remember the song you were supposed to sing today? Achyutam Keshvam?
Radha, I know that song. Radha, I know it too. My mom sings it every morning.
Fine, let's sing that song together. Ignore the fear and keep going.
Mom, Radha is doing her job perfectly. It's your turn now. Let's start the mission, Mom.
Stop, Mohan.
What happened?
It's only because of a family that our kids are in trouble. We just can't trust you.
What nonsense is this? We don't have the time to do all this.
Mohan, we won't let you do this operation. Only a professional driver and a professional team will do it.
That driver will do this operation whenever he comes. Understood?
Thank you, Lord. Someone talked sense. I hope these annoying parents don't let Mohan go. Please.
The Trivedi family is responsible for this. We can't take any more risks.
Have you all lost your mind or what? Your children's lives are at stake and you are having this idiotic discussion with me. You don't want me to go. Fine. Tell me, who's going to do it? Will you do it? Tell me. Who wants to do it? The fuel in the bus will last only for half an hour. After that, the bus will blast. What will we do then?
The school bus of AVR International has been hijacked. 20 children who are on the bus are in danger. According to the latest information, the fuel in the bus is about to finish. The bus has become fatal for these kids. It's very dangerous.
The police and Trivedi family have completely lost hope of controlling the bus. They are taking the bus away from the city so that the city is not harmed because of the bomb.
The fuel in the bus is about to finish.
The expert driver who can save the bus can't reach the spot before 3 hours. It's a critical situation.
The trawler is here, but the expert driver who was called in here to drive it has not reached here. It seems those children will meet their end sooner or later.
Tell me, do you have any other plan to save the kids? Do you? Will you drive the trawler or you? Or you? Tell me, can you do it? 3 people of my family are already on that bus. And here my mom is risking her life and going near the bus just to save those children's lives.
How can Mrs. Trivedi, being a woman, drive a trawler?
Ma'am, being a woman, you should understand. A mother can go to any extent to save her children. As per the mythology, when all the gods lost to Shumb and Nishumb, then they called the goddess to kill them both. I am saying a woman can do each and everything a man can do. In fact, a woman can do it better. The bus with the bomb on it is being driven by a girl.
What after saving your family, if you fail to save our children, Eh? Tell me.
Okay, I promise you all. I will save your children first, and after that, I will save my family, okay? Now, please don't waste my time.
Mr. Mohan, our team has cleared the road ahead. You need to take the bus to the 4-lane highway. The operation cannot be done here.
Okay.
We can't rescue everyone when the bus is taking rounds. We would need a straight road to conduct the rescue operation.
So, let us also go there.
No, ma'am. It can be dangerous for everyone. We can't take you all there.
But
We will watch the rescue mission from the base camp here. And there is a camera on the trawler for that. And the 4-lane highway has cameras too. So don't worry, we'll watch the mission from here. Mr. Trivedi, you see this plank? You need to attach this to the bus. Be careful. It should be properly fixed. It shouldn't move.
Okay.
Please be careful.
Thank you.
All the very best.
Radha! Radha, we are going to start the rescue operation. You need to take the bus to the 4-lane highway. Can you do that?
yes, Mohan, I can do it. You are here with me, right?
When Radha Mohan are together,
We are a hit.
Let's go, son.
let's go, Mom.
What are they doing? Lord, please keep my Mohan safe. Except for him, you can take anyone's life you want.
We have the latest update for you. As you can see, the school bus is taken to a secluded place. Despite the police's best efforts, the expert driver who was called here to drive the vehicle is yet to arrive here at the spot. And in this situation, Mr. Mohan Trivedi took charge of the entire rescue operation.
Mohan!
As you can see on the live telecast, you are able to see that Kadambari Devi has taken the wheel of the trawler. She is driving the vehicle.
Mother!
But it is yet to be seen whether Mohan Trivedi successfully rescues all the children from the bus and escorts them to safety, or if the bus will become a vessel of death for all the children.
What is this reporter uttering? A vessel of death? Who is going to die? Lord Krishna, please protect my whole family.
Mohan? Aunt?
Radha, the expert driver will arrive in 3 hours, but we don't have that much time. We need to save everyone within an hour, Radha.
But Mohan, you know that the fuel is running out. God forbid, what if anything happens to you and Aunt?
Nothing will happen to any of you. I won't let anything happen. I will save everyone.
Radha! Radha, don't worry about us. Everything will be okay. If we are together, no one will be hurt.
Yes, Radha. Nothing will happen to anyone.
Mohan, I suggest both of you go back. It's very risky, believe me. I won't let anything happen to any child. I'll keep them safe.
Hey, you stop your nonsense, Radha. I won't go anywhere. I will stay here.
Mohan, we all are in danger. But you and Mom shouldn't have come here. It's a huge risk. Please leave.
Ketki, we won't leave without taking you with us.
But
We
Mohan...
cannot afford to waste time in discussion, Radha.
Mohan!
Gungun, my dear, don't cry.
Good.
I promise I won't let anything happen to any of you, Gungun.
No, Mohan! Don't save us! It's very risky! Leave, Mohan! Please!
Gungun, don't be afraid. And I'm not going anywhere. I will save everyone, Gungun.
I'm concerned for you, not for myself. I just can't see you getting hurt. I love you, Mohan. I love you so much.
Mom! Ketki! Radha! Did you all hear that? My Gungun loves me! She loves me! She can't bear to see me get hurt. My daughter loves me.
Oh Lord Krishna, what is your plan? You gave Mohan the greatest joy. You made Gungun say what Mohan wanted to hear at a time when we are not sure what is going to happen next.
You know, I've been yearning to hear that, Gungun. Now, if death comes to me, I will gladly accept it. I don't want anything from life now.
Mohan! What nonsense are you uttering? You just said that you would save my life. And now you're talking about dying? Maintain your cool and think positively.
Yes, Mohan. Please don't say that. I have already lost my mom. I don't want to lose you.
Gungun, you will not lose me, Gungun. Our relationship has grown strong after so many years. We won't lose each other now. Nothing will happen to me and I won't let anything happen to you. I love you.
Radha! Today, whatever Gungun has told Mohan, somehow you are the reason for that. If Mohan and Gungun's relationship has grown stronger, then it's only because of you. May Lord always keep you safe and very happy forever.
Radha is not a fool, but I am. I shouldn't have planned all that. If anything happens to Mohan, then what will I do? I cannot let that happen.
You are sweating out of anxiety, my dear. Wipe it clean. Otherwise, everyone will come to know that you are the culprit behind this. Where are you going? And what are you up to now?
I will do something to ensure Mohan's safety, Mom.
Really? You are very eager to go to jail. Let's do one thing. Come, I will take you myself to jail.
Mom, what are you saying?
Quiet. Look at them. Look at those parents. Today, because of you, their children are in danger. Look at those police officers. No matter what happens, they are actively searching for the culprit. Who is behind all this matter? Do you understand now? Just stand here quietly.
Mohan Trivedi is all set to save the children from the bus of death. The plan is to build a plank bridge between the trawler and the bus, through which he will transfer the children from the moving bus to the trawler. It remains to be seen how Mohan Trivedi will complete this difficult task. Stay tuned and keep watching the live coverage.
Mom,
Yes?
Radha, we need to keep the trawler and the bus moving at the same speed.
Okay.
I'm about to put this ladder inside the bus.
Okay. Yes.
Everyone move back. Children, stay back.
Mohan, be careful.
Yes, Mom.
Mohan! Mohan!
Mohan!
Mohan! Mohan!
He's safe now.
Yes, it's not as simple as Mohan Trivedi described it to be. It is very difficult. You have just seen how close he was to his death.
Everyone get back. Move away from the door.
Move aside. Move aside.
Mohan!
Ketki, I'm coming inside, okay?
Mohan!
तेरी मैं बलाएं तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं तुझको मैं खुशियों के साए दूं सारी रात ये पहर
Are you okay?
करे कह तू
केतकी?
चांद तारों को हाँ हाँ
Kiti, you need to help me save the children. You send the children one by one and I will grab them. Okay? Radha, I will save you as well.
Mohan, don't worry about me. Please focus on yourself, Ketki, Gungun, and the rest of the children.
All of you are going to be fine. Okay? I will be right back.
Be careful, Mohan.
Ketki, shall we? Ketki, now start sending the children one by one,
Yes,
Ketki.
Mohan, I'm sending them. Raju, come here, dear. Listen, you need to cross the bridge and go to him, all right? But I'm feeling scared. I can't go. Raju, you will be fine, I promise.
Listen, Raju, you don't need to be scared. This is the only way to live. Trust me, I won't let anything happen to you. Raju, don't let your fear win, Raju. Give me your hand, Raju.
Come on.
Careful.
Come on, good. I'm coming to you, Raju. Don't be scared. Easy.
Easy.
Mohan, easy.
Ketki, come on.
Mohan, be careful.
Kamya, come on. Come quickly, dear. Come on. No, I can't do this. I won't go. It's going to be all right. You have seen Swati, Raju, Manisha and Sumit crossing the bridge. You just have to move in the same manner. No, I can't.
Ketki, we don't have much time. Now send the children.
Kamya, we don't have much time. We need to move quickly.
Kamya, imagine how we make a chain at school. In the same manner, you have to hold my hand and Mohan's hand. No matter what, don't let go of each other's hands. That way you can get to Mohan's sides quickly. All the best, Kamya.
Come on, Kamya.
Dear, I'm coming toward you. Easy.
Mohan, hold Kamya's hand.
Mohan, be careful.
I won't move,
No,
Uncle.
it's
no,
fine.
I won't move.
Don't worry, you will be fine, Kamya.
No, I
We
can't.
don't have much time, dear. We have to. Come on. Good job, Gungun. I am proud of you, dear.
I'm Tulsi and Mohan's daughter. It's obvious that I'm brave.
Bravo, Gungun. My brave daughter. Gungun, now you go.
No! Rescue the driver first! He's unwell. He will go first.
Okay, I promise all of you. First, I will rescue your children, and after that, I will rescue my family, alright? Okay, then send the driver first.
Yes, Mohan. Mister, please get up.
Be careful.
Hey, sir!
Mohan, what happened?
Ketki, hurry up, Ketki!
But Mohan, we can't do it.
Mohan Trivedi has not only saved those 20 children's lives, but he has also saved the driver safely and alive. That's wonderful news. Only the family members of Mohan Trivedi are left on the bus now.
Mohan! Ketki! Ketki!
At least one enemy of mine is gone, if not two.
What do you mean by there is no fourth step? Radha is stuck there in the bus. And you are saying that there is no rescue plan to save her? Why didn't you tell me that earlier?
Mohan, we had informed your family about that. And they forbade us to inform
Whom
you.
did you inform?
We had informed Damini.
Mom, they don't have a rescue plan to save Radha, Mom. Radha is stuck there in the bus. I'm going now to save her.
Wait a minute, Mohan.
Mohan, I know that you won't leave me. Therefore,
Therefore what?
I will kill myself.